Hi friends, hello and welcome to my channel Simply Kani. A big heart and lots of love to all of those who have already subscribed to my channel. If you're here for the first time, my name is Kani Karthik and this is a beauty and lifestyle YouTube channel. So make sure to subscribe to my channel before we get into the video and also hit on that notification bell icon so that you will be notified every time I put up a video. Now quickly let's get into this video. For beginners, if I have to suggest one foundation which has got amazing coverage and which is budget friendly and it has got multiple shades, that you are sure to find a shade that is suitable for your skin tone. If there is one such foundation, it would be Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless foundation range. So it is like around 500 rupees or so, and most of the times you will get these foundations for much lesser rates on Amazon and even on Nykaa when there are so much of sales going on. So it is very budget friendly and it has got medium coverage or more. It depends, like you can layer it up one or two and you can achieve a good coverage which is equivalent to any kind of high-end foundations. And the third thing, just like I mentioned before, is the shade. The range of shades are so amazing that you every Indian skin tone can find a shade that is suitable for their skin tone and their skin undertone. There are cool tones, neutral tones and warm tones in this like foundation range. So it is one of the best foundations that is available in the market right now for beginners, and you know, if you are just getting into makeup right now, that would be the best foundation to start with. In this video, we are going to check out 3 shades of this particular foundation of Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and we are going to see how it looks on my skin tone, as in for dusky skin tone, and I'm going to show you how you can swatch, like how you should be swatching the foundation in order to find out the right shade for your skin tone. So I happen to have 3 shades in Maybelline Fit Me foundation because I am also starting out as a makeup artist. I have recently started applying makeup for others, so I wanted to have a few other shades that is not just mine. So I used to have foundations that are only suitable for my skin tone, so I wanted to have something a little bit lighter and a little bit darker so that I can apply for others. Like since I'm just starting out, I'm usually, you know, like doing makeup for only my relatives and my friends, and so that is the reason I bought 3 shades in Maybelline Fit Me. So I have these 3 shades right here, and they are one second, I'll just put it in order, and this is it. So I have a 320, I have a 330, and there is a 335, which is like a very dark shade with a yellow undertone. So 320 is kind of a lighter shade with a pink kind of undertone, like a light pinkish undertone, and then 330 is like my shade. It is like the perfect foundation shade for anybody with a medium dusky skin tone, and it has got the lightest yellow undertone which is like perfectly suitable for every Indian skin. So this is a foundation that is perfectly suitable for my skin tone, and 335 like I said. So, and these are the 3 foundations that I have. So what do you do when you need to find out which is the shade of foundation that is perfectly suited for your skin tone? So most of the experts have mentioned very clearly that this is the place where you have to swatch your foundation to find out if it is the right shade for you. It's because the foundation shade that you choose, it's not important that it is blending perfectly with your face. It is also required to blend perfectly with the neck. So the shade of the neck also should be covered properly with this foundation shade. So that is the reason we swatch it from the end of the jawline till the neck. So we are going to do that with these 3 shades and see how it looks. So I'm going to be taking the slightest bit of 320 right here. It is called Natural Tan. Once you have applied the foundation, it obviously you'll have to blend it out, but then I'm going to apply all the other shades as well. So next I'm going to go with 330, which is also called Toffee, and like I said, this is the shade that I love the most because it suits my skin tone. Third shade of Maybelline Fit Me foundation, which is 335. That is a classic tan. I have been using this shade for a long time without even knowing that it's not really the right shade for me. It is kind of a little dark, and it has got a very deep yellow undertone. I'm going to be applying this shade over here. Now that I have applied all the three foundations, you can see right here that this the 320 is kind of lighter than my skin tone, which will not really look good when I blend it out. It will make me look really white and washed out. This is the shade that I love the most. It is the 330 is the shade that is best suited for my skin tone, and 335 is a little bit dark. Maybe somebody with a little darker skin tone than mine can use, can do good with this shade. So I am going to be blending this out. So now as you can see, 335 it has kind of blended into my skin tone and doesn't make a huge difference for me. It kind of makes my skin look a little darker in fact. And then the 320 over here is kind of giving a gray cast, especially around my hyperpigmentation, because it's way too lighter than my skin tone. And then the 330 has blended in seamlessly into my skin and is also giving a good finish. It is giving a good glow and it is like perfect for my skin tone. So this is how you find out the right shade of foundation for your skin tone. I'm sure you would have got a basic idea of the shades that are available in this range of foundation. And if you just take a look at this foundation on Nykaa or Amazon, you will see that there are multiple more shades available, and you can easily find a shade of foundation for your skin tone, whatever kind of skin tone you may have, whatever kind of undertone you may have. You're sure to find a shade that is fit for your skin. And one advice that I would give, one of the last advices that I would give when it comes to choosing a foundation is, especially for the beginners, who if you are setting out into the makeup field right now, even if it is for personal purpose, I would suggest you to go to a store physically and swatch it physically on your jaws and find out if the shade is suitable for your skin tone. So what I do is, obviously, like, there are testers over there in the stores, and that is especially for testing the foundation on your skin. So you're not wasting anybody's time, or you're not wasting anybody's product. You can easily find the shade that is perfectly suitable for your skin tone and just walk out of the store. Nobody is going to stop you, and what they think, it does not matter, because at the end of the day, it is the product that you are going to put your hard-earned money on, and you are going to be using the product. So nobody is going to force you into buying a product right then and there, or buying a product that is wrong for you. So you can make your decision independently. Don't get intimidated by the sales girls or saleswomen in the physical stores, because sometimes the lighting in the store also is kind of, it makes a shade look perfect for you, but then when you get out of the store, you will and you check out your face in the natural light or some other light, then you'll understand that there's a huge difference, especially, like, the light differences, like what kind of undertone the foundation has, like if it has a pinkish undertone or if it has a yellow undertone. So that makes a huge difference. The lighting can affect your decisions. So you can simply walk out of the store and say that you just want to see if the shade looks good in the natural light, and whatever you want, do what you feel is right to kind of buy the perfect shade of foundation for your skin tone, because it makes all the difference. even if it is 500 rupees or even if it is 1000 rupees, whatever it is, that money should not go to waste. So make sure that you go to a physical store, go to a store and physically try out the tester of the foundation, walk out of the store and check it out, whether the shade is still looks nice in the natural light. You can walk into the washroom, you can go out, like, you know, walk out of the mall and see whether the lighting affects the foundation shade in any way, and fight with the shade of the foundation, and you feel it's okay to buy the foundation in the store, then you can go ahead and do that. Or if you find the same foundation for much lesser rates online, you can go and order that. It's totally up to you. So let me just demonstrate what I am I mean when I say that the lighting can affect. So right now I have 3 different shades of foundation on my face. So right now you're looking at this these shades, and you're looking at my face in a perfect white light. Now this is a cool light, or this light has a kind of bluish like tone to it. Very light difference, but there is a difference where you can see in the shades. Now I'm going to change the tone of the light again. Now what I have right here is a yellow light. It's a warmer tone of lighting, and in this lighting you can again see a very huge difference in the shades of the foundation. You can very clearly see that almost all shades look perfect on my skin tone. There is no difference almost. So this is what I mean when I say that lighting makes a huge difference. So I have shared all of the information that I know I ever learned about foundations and finding the right shade of foundation for your skin tone. So I have shared all of that information with you guys. I hope you found this video really helpful. If you did, then do give it a huge thumbs up and also share it with all of your friends and family members. Also do leave your comments and thoughts, or if you have any queries regarding finding the right shade of foundation for your skin tone, do leave them too in the comment section below. If you're watching this video till here and you have still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please do that right away. It's not going to cost you anything, and it will be a huge factor of motivation for me. Also hit on that notification bell icon so that you will be notified every time I put up a video. Until the next time I get back to you guys with another amazing video. Bye bye and take care.